This is a second part video of this whole earth foundation project. This project is very old, so everything is all of this project. Don't worry, investor. I will discuss many details today of this project. Stay with full video. So let's discuss the main topics of this project. There is the exchange profit coins bit. We democratize infrastructure management. I think all working is very hard of this project. So solution of this project, there is many details. So when we explain the word broadly, we see growing issue of again infrastructure. Unfortunately, service provider governing this infrastructure access to have to allow adequately maintain and renew the facility they manage. So ecosystem tools is gas team new contacts. So everything is all of this project. Problem there is the two option. For solve this problem, imbalance access to information between service provider and citizen, the lack of general incentive among parties to challenge the status quo approach. White paper for more information, please visit this site. Ecosystem tools. So everything is all of this project. Ecosystem of this project. So Holy Earth access to comprise the following 3K group: information provider, infrastructure service provider, partner. Partner supporting the ecosystem. Please look at use case. Water reduce maintenance cost and maximum water saving energy. Bullet smarter, more energy efficient building, and many more. We are constantly looking for a new and creative idea. Contact us to get involved. So project roadmap. Question 2021. Question 2021 partnership with Nippon. Upcoming mixture. First point, test of POCO project, expand partnership opportunity with shopping organization, expansion of POC project from pilot plus option release of POC project, getting avenues to access whole for good and service. So everything is all of this project. So team manager, I think all members honestly of this project. Don't worry. Deiki Mordian, Hiroki Shingen, Hoki Shishagawa. Fastest member of this project. Takashi Kato. Takashi is currently of the foundry and CEO of Fractal Hencho. Imuko Kango, Jordan, Brilus, Landu, Than, Tho and Dao. Manhel Tho Hang. All members honestly of this project. News of this project. Everything is all of this project. Please, if you contact their team, please your name, email, contact. Submit for information, latest information. I hope this project has a bright future, and this project give us a very good profit. Thank you for watching my video.